Hello everyone, I am Shivani Patil. I study in class 8. In our previous video, we have seen about the area of quadrilateral and that of area of rhombus. We have seen how to find the area of these two. In our today's video, we will be seeing about surface area of a cube, cuboid and a cylinder. So first, we will be seeing about surface area of cuboid. First we will know the term what is surface area. So the surface area of a solid is the sum of the areas of its faces. Now we will be seeing about the surface area of a cuboid. So let's take this cuboid. Now we will be writing the measurements of it. 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and this is 2 centimeter. So these are the measurements of this given cuboid. Now we will be finding the surface area of this. So the formula to find the surface area of the cuboid is 2 bracket L into B plus B into H plus H into L. First we will see what is your length, breadth and height of this given cuboid. So the length of it is 6 centimeter. Then the breadth is 4 centimeter. Height is 2 centimeter. So these are the measurements given here. Now according to this formula, 2 in bracket, here the length is 6 centimeter. So 6 into breadth 4 centimeter plus here breadth is 4 centimeter and height is 2 centimeter. So 4 into 2 plus here height is 2 centimeter into the length is 6 centimeter, which is equal to 2 in bracket 6 4s are 24 plus 4 2s are 8 plus 6 2s are 12. 2 into the addition of 24, 8 and 12 is 44. So 2 into 44 gives 88 centimeter square. So the area, the surface area of this cuboid is 88 centimeter square. Now we will see how to find the surface area of a cube. Surface area of a cube. Now here a figure of the cube is given and we will be finding the surface area of this. So here the formula to find the surface area of a cube is 6L square. So here L is the length and in this cube the length is 10 centimeters. So 6 into 10 raised to the power 2. 6 into 10 square is equal to 100. So 6 into 100 is equal to 600 centimeter square. So the surface area of this given cube is 600 centimeter square and the formula to find it is 6L square. Now we will be seeing how to find the surface area of a given cylinder. Surface area of cylinder. Here a figure of a cylinder is given and we will be seeing how to find the surface area of this. So the formula to find the surface area of a given cylinder is 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. Here r stands for radius, h for height. So here radius is 14 centimeter and the height is 8 centimeter. So accordingly according to this formula, 2 into pi means 22 upon 7 into r, that is radius, and the radius is 14 centimeter, in bracket the radius 14 plus height, that is 8 centimeter. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14 plus 8 is 22. On doing the dividation of 7 and 14, we get 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So we get here 2. Then further, 22 twos are 44 and 44 twos are 88. So 88 into 22, which is equal to 1936 centimeter square. So this is the surface area of this cylinder. So the formula here is 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. So this is how we find the surface area of cuboid, cube and cylinder. I hope you understand this. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video. And in our next video, we will be seeing about volume of cube, cuboid and cylinder.